Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a flower dip using Elmers Glue All as my pouring medium. So I mixed 60% Elmers Glue All to 40% water, mix it up and then mix it 1-to-1 with pouring medium. And I will use this Pebeo Prussian blue hue. It's opaque color, I don't know, kind of skeptic. This is the consistency. I mix them 1-to-1 with colors, and I have my pearl white mixture that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white by Amsterdam, and my pouring medium, and I have permanent red violet by Amsterdam, Winsor and Newton permanent magenta, and I have Reflex rose by Amsterdam. So I will put some of this base coat . So this is done, and I'm just thinking I will start with pearl white, and I will do kind of a tear shape. Okay, so let's dip that. I don't want to press too hard because I don't want that paint squish all around. I don't know. Just want to make sure that my canvas is touching. That's why it's nice to, you know, paint your canvas before. Okie doke, so let's leave that. Straight up. A little weird one, but I love the colors. But I didn't lift it up straight up. have to decide. There is no point to do the same thing, so now I will just squeeze some paint around, maybe. And redip it. It will be more abstract now, because now I already have some colors on the background that it will create. I will grab a brush and try to lift it. Like that. Okay, look. Yeah, I like it. I like the colors. So let's torch that. I have this canvas that I don't care about it much, so I will just dip this again. I just think that I want a little more of this Reflex. Maybe the magenta. Okay, so let's do it. And this time I didn't paint it, so hopefully it will cover the whole thing underneath. And it didn't. See? You can always add some blue here, but I will just go once more. I will add some blue on the canvas where I miss it. Release some paint on the sides and go straight up. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And as I said, you can use this as your skin, or you can scrape it, use it for your base coat, for a pour that you will do. Or you can again dip some color, canvas in. So here is the first one. I really like those colors together. Have to use them again. And this is the second one that maybe I like even more. She's so cute. And this is the flower on the plastic that it will be our skin that we can use for some other project. And in this you can dip some cabochons here too, so it's a lot of ways to use it. You don't need to waste that paint. Okay, love it. Beautiful colors, aren't they? And I'm kind of glad that I used the blue background for this color, because it's kind of beautiful.